Easter was always about Jesus' death and resurrection. But since I didn't really know Jesus for myself, it wasn't as important. For me, it was just about getting a pretty dress and going to church and hearing the same stories I had heard over and over. But when I accepted Jesus at the age of 15, it became so much more than that, because at that point, it became about Jesus dying on the cross to pay for my own sins and going into the grave and conquering death and bringing victory. And because he did that, I'm able to have victory in my own life and victory over sin and not have to live in those things because of that gift that he gave. And that's why Easter is so important to me.